Hello and welcome everyone. We're here to have a look at the all-new Först ST6P sub 750 kilogram wood chipper. I'm here with the guys from Lakewood Tree Surgeons, and together we're really going to put this new machine through its paces. Now, I don't need to tell any tree surgeon why we've worked so hard to get this machine below 750 kilograms. We all know about towing regulations and why a sub 750 kilogram machine is so important. Now, you might remember that here at Först, we said we weren't prepared to build a 35 horsepower diesel sub 750 kilogram chipper because it meant too much compromise on the stuff that mattered. The Först brand is all about strength and performance, and we didn't want to jeopardize that. We were the first manufacturer to offer a 3-year warranty on all our products, and we weren't prepared to build a machine to a certain weight that could let you or our brand down. Now, all of that still stands. But the good news is that we've managed to build a 750 kilogram machine with absolutely no compromise. It's still a full-on 6-inch, robust, powerful tool. And here's how we've done it. Now, this machine has a 37 horsepower petrol engine. Yes, petrol. Now, you might think that sounds a bit daft, putting a petrol engine on a 6-inch chipper, but there are some very good reasons as to why we've done it. Firstly, weight. This engine is much lighter than a diesel, meaning we haven't had to compromise anything on the chipper. Now, from here to the back, it's exactly the same as a standard ST6, with the exception that the hopper is wider. Everything that gives all our machines their amazing performance is the same. The chassis is slightly shorter, which helps with the weight, and we've used these tough GRP panels, which are much lighter than steel. Secondly, performance. This machine is an animal. It chips as well as a diesel. The petrol engine picks up quicker than a diesel when the no stress cuts in, which means it's a seriously fast chipper, as good as any in the Först range. It might surprise you to hear that it's no thirstier than a diesel either. And it comes with a 30-litre tank, which will give you a good day's chipping. Thirdly, the big one, emissions. In 2019, everything is going to change. The new regulations mean that diesel engines over 25 horsepower will have to have after-treatment to reduce emissions. And that after-treatment is a large DPF filter, which not only doubles the cost of the engine, but also is big and heavy. Now, this emissions issue isn't one to be taken lightly. Big cities are already starting to ban diesel. Berlin's already begun, and there's talk of London being diesel-free by 2025. It's an issue which isn't going away, and one which needs serious consideration. Now, let's put this machine through its paces. Now, we've got a Först ST8 here as well, and any of you that have used one know what a seriously good machine it is. The Först ST8 is an 8-inch by 10-inch capacity wood chipper with a 45 horsepower engine. It's a seriously hungry wood chipper, and we put it alongside the new machine to show you just how good the ST6P actually is. Now, the 6 obviously isn't as fast as the 8, but for a 6-inch chipper, we think it's pretty impressive. Okay, so here they go. We've got a mixture of timber here, some ash, some alder, and some field maple. These guys are going to really show us what these machines can do. Look at the way this machine grips the fork material and pulls it in. The feed roller grip is fantastically strong. It has a wide hopper right down to the rollers, which means it's great for the bushy stuff. It loves hawthorn and all that nasty stuff that everybody hates. Also, look at how it throws the chip and the velocity it has. This machine really does throw chip well, even wet conifer. The distance it throws the material is impressive. You won't block this machine up. Yes, seriously. So, there we are. We think that's pretty good. Now, there are loads more design features under the covers which make this machine a dream to service and maintain, all of which we can show you on an on-site demonstration. So that's the ST6P, fast, powerful, strong, with a 3-year warranty and exceptional backup support from Först. What's not to like?